Ascertaining cash flow from operating activities. Direct method. As per AS3, there are two methods to calculate cash flows from operating activities. 1. Direct method. Under this method, the main items of cash inflows and cash outflows are considered. The items are recorded on accrual basis in profit and loss statement. So few adjustments are done to convert those items into cash basis like A. Cash receipts from customers equal to revenue from operations plus trade receivables in the beginning minus trade receivables in the end. B. Cash payments to suppliers equal to purchases plus trade payables in the beginning minus trade payables in the end. C. Purchases equal to cost of revenue from operations minus opening inventory plus closing inventory. D. Cash expenses equal to expenses on accrual basis plus prepaid expenses in the beginning and outstanding expenses in the end minus prepaid expenses in the end and outstanding expenses in the beginning. According to AS3, under the direct method, information regarding major categories of gross cash receipts and cash payments may be obtained either from the accounting details of the organization, by making adjustments in revenue from operations, revenue cost from operations, and other items in the profit and loss statement for the followings. 1. Changes in the inventory during that period and trade receivables and payables. 2. Other non-cash items. 3. Other items for which financing cash flows.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.